after an action-packed family day at Aquaventure, we were not ready to call it quits just yet, so we made our way back to the pool at Atlantis for some more fun in the water. Late afternoon is honestly one of the best time to swim. The sun starts to mellow, the vibe is super chill, and the pool looks magical. And yes, we made the most of it.
Ang phone mo na waterproof na. Okay, bye-bye. Ayoko na magsugat yung phone ko masakit.
Eh, picture next lang. Isang ano lang. Isang numbers ko ang cellphone.
Dalawa kaya gas lang. A lot of person. There are 5 more 5 minutes. There are 25. Quarter. An hour.
Let's go to America.
I like this one.
Sa first ikaw eh.
With the pool open until 8 p.m., we had plenty of time to splash around, unwind, and just enjoy the moment.
Kami.
Yeah.
I can't see the hula. Daddy, Pop's coming. Pop's coming.
Time flew by so quickly. It always does when you're having fun. Before we knew it, the sky was getting darker, and it was time to head home and rest up for another exciting day ahead. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on our next adventure.